Right now, the job market is flooded with online courses promising to teach you artificial intelligence. Sitting right at the top of that pile is the Google AI Professional Certificate, boasting massive scale with over 786,000 people already enrolled. The marketing materials make some heavy claims. They state that in roughly 8 hours, you will learn to run data analysis and even build custom web apps. That forces a practical question. Does an 8-hour course actually serve as a gateway into the tech industry, or is this just a glorified tutorial for writing better emails? To evaluate the actual return on investment here, we have to strip away the marketing buzzwords and look entirely at your technical baseline before you hit enroll. Artificial intelligence engineering has a reputation for being heavily mathematical and highly intimidating, but this certificate operates on a completely different level. The course takes about 8 hours to complete from start to finish, and it requires absolutely zero prior coding experience to get through the material. This split-screen diagram highlights the stark difference at play here. You are not writing complex code algorithms. You are typing natural language instructions into a simple chat interface. The entire curriculum is strictly built around the application of existing tools. You are learning how to use the models Google already built, not how to create new ones yourself. The certificate is designed to mint efficient AI operators for administrative roles. It is not designed to train AI engineers. That brings us to the first major trade-off. You acquire high-impact office skills very quickly, but you completely bypass foundational computer science knowledge. This quadrant chart maps the course modules based on learning time versus actual workflow impact. Modules focused on prompting, brainstorming, and data analysis populate right here in the high-impact, low-effort quadrant. They offer the highest immediate return. Applying these specific skills allow you to draft reports, summarize meeting transcripts, and clear administrative bottlenecks in minutes. But look at what the course intentionally ignores. The high-effort, deep tech quadrant remains completely empty because deep machine learning mechanics are never covered. You will finish all 7 courses and walk away without knowing how a large language model actually processes data under the hood. The value of this curriculum is entirely measured in the hours you save sitting at a desk job. It does not provide a foundation for a career in software development. You also have to consider the specific tools you are learning to use: Gemini, Google Workspace, and Notebook LM. If you work for a company that already runs on Google products, the primary benefit is seamless integration. Your new skills plug right into your existing daily workflow. The major drawback is that your capabilities become heavily anchored to Google's specific user interfaces and feature sets. If you move to an enterprise environment locked into Microsoft Copilot or custom OpenAI models, translating those habits will require a period of readjustment. You are learning a specific brand's toolkit. That creates high immediate utility for your current tasks, but it does limit your cross-platform agility. We also need to address the most ambitious marketing claim attached to this certificate: the ability to build custom apps. The course relies on a technique called vibe coding. You write out natural language instructions and the AI generates the scripts. You never have to manually write the software yourself. The actual outputs you produce are highly localized functional prototypes designed to solve single, specific workplace tasks. These modules are excellent for creating personal productivity hacks. They do not teach you the architecture required to build scalable commercial software. Next, let's break down the financial cost. Accessing the certificate requires a Coursera Plus subscription, which runs $49 per month. However, enrollment includes a hidden financial perk: a complimentary 3-month trial of Google AI Pro. Because AI Pro is normally a $20 per month expense, that trial carries a $60 total value. If you complete the 8 hours of coursework quickly, the software trial effectively subsidizes your tuition cost. Financially, taking the course is a zero-risk proposition, provided you are disciplined enough to actively manage and cancel your subscriptions when you are finished. Ultimately, deciding if this certificate is worth your time requires a strict evaluation of your specific career goals. This decision tree maps your starting point directly to a final recommendation. We start at the center node. What is your goal? If you are an administrator dealing with high volumes of busy work, the save time path leads straight to enroll. For that demographic, an 8-hour investment yields immediate, actionable relief from messy spreadsheets. Conversely, if your goal is transitioning to software engineering or learning AI fundamentals, both paths lead directly to Skip. If you already understand how to write system prompts or you want to learn Python, this curriculum will feel painfully redundant. Remember, the physical Google badge you put on your professional profile matters far less than your ability to actually apply these tools in a live office environment. The ultimate value of the Google AI Professional Certificate is not measured by academic prestige. It is measured entirely by the tangible hours of mundane work you reclaim every single week.